I've been trading Forex for the last 6 months, and these are the things that I have learned. What's up, guys? It's your man Tricky, and I'm an artist currently trading Forex. And the goal is to raise enough money to fund my music career. And my goal for this year is $100,000. So come with me on this journey. Now, I've been training Forex for the past 6 months. I'm new, like I'm a newbie, and I've learned some things. Let me share them with you, so you too can learn in case you want to start trading or start trading and you're feeling discouraged. The very first thing that I've learned is that you are going to lose money. I don't care what anybody tells you, you are going to lose money. In this journey, you're going to lose money. For the past 6 months I've been trading, to be honest, I've been making money, but guess what? I've been losing the money. Like, I'll make $100, I'll be happy, I'll be pumped. Tomorrow, I'll lose $150. At times I'll make $70, I'll be like, yes, I've made it. The next day, I'll lose $70. Sometimes I'll make $50, the next day I'll lose $20. Like, you are going to lose money. Like, let this be at the back of your mind. Let it stick with you. One thing is, you are going to lose money. I don't care how good you are as a trader. Don't let anybody lie to you. You're going to lose money. So, I think you need to be emotionally stable. If you're not emotionally stable, you cannot trade Forex. That's what I've learned. In fact, I think it's even more, in my opinion, I'm still new, so you can counter this if you want, but this is what I believe. I believe it's even more, it's more emotion, it's more, you need to be in a more stable place mentally than even being technical. That is because you might have the right strategy and you keep losing money, and then you feel like you know what you're doing, and to mess with your mind, and you start jumping from strategy to strategy, that you start changing more strategy to another strategy to another strategy to another strategy. So you need to be mentally stable to do this Forex thing. If not, my brother, there is no way, or rather my sister too, there is no way you're going to succeed at Forex. You need to be mentally stable. Another thing is, you need to keep learning. You need to keep learning and learning. And there is no shortcut to learning. There's nothing that you can do than to just learn. So I started trading 6 months ago, and from that time to now, I've learned a lot. It's just there's no hack around learning. And also another thing is experience. Nothing beats experience. Some things you just have to learn from experience. No signal group will teach you. Just experience. Like, you need to just experience it. Yeah. And the one thing I would say is, don't have too many mentors. In closing, the last thing I would say is, don't have too many mentors. Like, when you're learning from too many people, I think you get confused. This is just me speaking from more experience. I think learn from 1, 2, maybe just 3 people that you learn from, and then stick to what they're saying. If they are successful traders, really, what they're saying, you would see you see the results. That's it, man. The last 6 months has been crazy for me. I'm not lying. It's been a roller coaster of up and downs. Sometimes I'll literally just want to cry. Sometimes I'll store my phone on the floor. But yeah, I'm on this journey, and I know I am going to be successful. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something from it. And like I said, I'm on a journey to raise money to promote my music as an artist using Forex, and the goal for this year is $100,000. If you want to see me do this, I want to probably go on this journey with me, or on your own journey, follow, like this video, subscribe to the channel so you can see me. Very soon I'll start showing you my daily trades, probably from next week. So anyway, have fun. I wish you the best. Peace out.